Most listings show you what is. This one shows what could be. Welcome to Belle Ewart, Innisfil. Set on a mature treed lot, this raised bungalow offers approximately 1,457 square feet above grade and something that is becoming harder to find: the opportunity to create value through vision and effort. Imagine starting with the kitchen. Rework the layout, brighten the space, update the finishes, and create a gathering place that feels modern and functional. Open up the living spaces. Bring natural light forward. Turn the dining room back into the center of the home. Refresh the bedrooms. Clean lines, warm finishes, a simple design that makes the house feel entirely different. This home requires work. That's what creates the opportunity. You're not paying for someone else's renovation decisions. You're buying square footage, lot size, location, and the ability to shape the result yourself. For renovators, investors, and buyers looking to create long-term value, this property offers the chance to unlock its next chapter. Today it needs attention. Tomorrow, it could become something entirely different.